So today I have a video how to make an air conditioning unit or ice cooler DIY style. So you can cool your car and you can take it anywhere. It's a portable item. So you're gonna need an actual ice cooler I picked up in the store. It was about $20. You're also gonna need a few basic tools like a drill, a jigsaw. I also got this blower on Amazon. It was another 20 bucks. So the idea is, so we're gonna have it here, that goes there. I have a marker. I'm gonna mark this really fast. So far this is what I've made. I drilled a hole. This is a 90-degree elbow, 3-inch wide. This is the blower, and it's gonna go inside. So on the inside I'm gonna have this air conditioning duct. So I drilled a hole on the opposite side. That's where it's gonna come out. So wires are connected. All is left to get some ice in there and wait for it to cool. So the entire build took me about 20 minutes to complete, and most of these parts could be picked up at a local hardware store or on Amazon. All in all, I spent just under 50 bucks on the entire thing, and after driving for a while, the air cooled enough where it felt comfortable to drive my car in such a hot summer day.